Greetings, wild ones, wildlings, and indigo brothers and sisters. I always ask my son what does he learn at school, and he always replies, well, nothing, or he can't really remember, it's the same old thing every day. And then today he brought home this. So I finally get to see what he's learning and doing at school. So he grew this broccoli and he grew this cabbage. It's all organic, and that's what they're teaching him at school. So I was so impressed with this, so I had to show everyone. And I've also got a new cot for my baby. It's on wheels, so I can wheel him around. Our baby rabbit. And he's got his carrot there, and he's so happy. And I can pick him up and cuddle him. He's so cute. I'll just show you. There he is. Gorgeous. So he'll probably be getting the broccoli and the cabbage. Okay. Stay wild. Stay free, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.